Welcome to this video about Trio, the utility token for OrdinalsBot. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. If you're interested in the Bitcoin Ordinal space and looking for a token with real utility and growth potential, Trio might be worth your attention. In this video, I'll be examining Trio based on several key criteria to help you decide if it's a good investment for 2025. Trio Ordinals, or Trio, is the utility token for OrdinalsBot, a platform that simplifies inscribing data like NFTs and digital art onto the Bitcoin blockchain using the Ordinals protocol. Launched in 2023, it's part of the growing Bitcoin data economy, offering users discounts on fees and rewards for holding the token. Investment suggestions for 2025 for 2025. Consider Trio for long-term hold, given OrdinalsBot's growth potential in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Participate in governance to influence platform development and use Trio for discounts if you're an active user. Always diversify your portfolio to manage crypto market volatility and regulatory risks. Key points: Trio Ordinals is a utility token for OrdinalsBot used for discounts and rewards on Bitcoin inscriptions. It's listed on exchanges like MEXC, Gate.io, Coin, and BingX, with a market cap of $736 million and trading volume of $177 million. The token has a fixed supply of 21 meters, with fair distribution and incentives for holding. Surprisingly, it's backed by over 200,000 users and partnerships with major blockchain firms like Marathon Digital Holdings. Comprehensive analysis of Trio Ordinals. Altcoin. This analysis evaluates Trio Ordinals, the utility token for OrdinalsBot, across 6 key criteria: technology, team and development, market support and liquidity, future application and adoption, tokenomics and supply model, and community and regulatory risks. It provides investment suggestions for 2025 and rates each criterion, offering a detailed breakdown for seasoned crypto traders and potential investors. Trios technology is tied to Bitcoin, which uses proof-of-work POW for consensus, ensuring high security due to Bitcoin's established network. However, scalability is limited, with Bitcoin handling around 7 transactions per second TPS, and gas fees can be high during congestion. OrdinalsBot, the platform behind Trio, offers tools for inscribing data, but lacks specific Layer 2 solutions for BRC20 tokens, which may hinder scalability compared to competitors like Ethereum. Innovation is strong, as BRC20 is a new standard for token creation on Bitcoin, and OrdinalsBot pioneered inscription services, setting it apart in the market. Scalability, limited by Bitcoin's constraints, with potential optimizations by OrdinalsBot. Security, robust, inheriting Bitcoin's security, though custodial services pose some risk. Consensus mechanism, POW, secure, and decentralized. Innovation, high, as a pioneer in Bitcoin Ordinals with unique inscription tools. Rating, 7100 team, and development founding team includes Brian Laughlin and Toby Devin Lewis, both with relevant backgrounds. Laughlin has experience in design and created Satishibles, an NFT project, while Lewis has a history in art collection and philanthropy relevant to the NFT and digital art space. OrdinalsBot, founded in 2023, shows active development with a GitHub presence, including a Node.js library for their API, indicating ongoing updates and community contributions. Experience and credibility. Founders have NFT and art-related experience, fitting for Ordinals. Track record. Laughlin's Satishibles and Lewis's art curation provide relevant credentials. Active development. GitHub activity confirms ongoing development, enhancing platform reliability. Rating. 8100 market support and liquidity. Trio is listed on reputable exchanges like MEXC, Gate.io, Coin, and BingX, with MEXC and Gate.io being top tier. The 24-hour trading volume is approximately $1.77 million, indicating decent liquidity for a smaller cap coin. The current market capitalization is around $736 million, calculated from a price of $2.63 and a circulating supply of 2.8 meters. The fully diluted valuation FDV, based on a total supply of 21.0 meters, is 55.23 M, suggesting significant growth potential as more token rating. 75100 future application and adoption. Trio's future looks promising, with OrdinalsBot serving over 200,000 users, indicating strong adoption. Real-world use cases include inscribing digital art, music, for example, collaborations with French Montana and Ghostface Killah, and on-chain blogging via the Scribe protocol. Partnerships with major players like Marathon Digital Holdings, Zverse, and Sulu enhance its ecosystem, while the developer ecosystem is supported by APIs and SDKs, fostering integrations and third-party development. Real-world use cases: digital art, music inscriptions, and on-chain publishing. Adoption rate: over 200,000 users, significant for a niche Bitcoin application. Developer ecosystem: APIs and SDKs available, encouraging developer engagement. Rating: 8100 tokenomics and supply model. Trio has a fixed supply of 21 million tokens, ensuring no inflation and potential deflationary pressure as demand grows. Holders can use Trio for a 20% discount on OrdinalsBot fees and earn hodling rewards, including random prizes like pizza sats, though specific details are limited. Token distribution is relatively fair, with 38% allocated to the community via public sale, airdrop, and rewards, 33.8% to team and investors with a 19-month vesting period, and 28.2% to the treasury, controlled partially by community governance. Rating: 85100 community and regulatory risks. The community is strong, with over 6,000 members on Discord, indicating active engagement. Social media presence on LinkedIn and likely X further supports community interaction. Regulatory risks are standard for crypto assets, with potential SEC scrutiny due to Bitcoin-related tokens, though no specific issues were found for Trio. Network decentralization is high, as Trio is a BRC20 token on Bitcoin, decentralized blockchain, though OrdinalsBot's centralized services pose some centralization risk. Community strength: active Discord with 6,000 plus members, strong social media presence. Regulatory concerns: standard crypto risks, potential SEC scrutiny. Network decentralization high, tied to Bitcoin's decentralized network. Rating: 75100 investment suggestions and strategies for 2025. Given Trio's promising metrics, consider the following strategies for 2025. Long-term holding: the platform's growth in the Ordinals space suggests potential value appreciation, especially with increasing adoption. Governance participation: engage in community governance to influence platform decisions, potentially enhancing token utility. Utilization for discounts: use Trio for fee discounts on OrdinalsBot services, particularly if actively using the platform. Diversification: given crypto market volatility, diversify investments to mitigate risks. Considering regulatory uncertainties, investors should conduct thorough research and assess their risk tolerance, as the crypto market remains highly volatile. Conclusion: Trio Ordinals presents a compelling case for investment in 2025. With strong technology, active development, and growing adoption, its tokenomics and community support further enhance its appeal, though scalability and regulatory risks warrant caution. The ratings reflect a balanced view, with high scores in tokenomics and future adoption, making it a noteworthy option for crypto portfolios. Overall score 76.5. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.